Alright guys, here we are on the main page for the Ride for Roswell. This is a brand new page, new this year, and we're going to click on the register button, which you can see right here, and we're going to go into the next page and get set up. Here we are on the waiver agreement section. I'm going to quickly speed read through this and then click agree, and this will bring us to the next section of the web. Here we are at our first big decision. We're going to choose what we want to register as. We have four choices here. We can start a team, we can join a team, we can join as an individual, or register multiple people. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to join as an individual. Here we are on the next page. This is going to have a lot of information on this page. I'm going to go through it in a few sections here. First thing I want to do first is highlight some things here. Right at the top it says the ride is using a new fundraising system to provide improved options for our riders. Please create a new username and password below. Just want to make a point of this because this is a new system this year, so you cannot use your old password and username from last year. I also want to make note of this heading at the top here. You see there's an opening ceremony June 22nd. That is new this year. It's the day before the ride, and you're going to hear a lot about it. I just wanted to make mention of that in the video. I've already filled out a lot of the information on this to help make it a little quicker, and I'm going to skip some of the basic things as far as name and kind of your address and things of that nature. I do want to point out that I have put in the cell phone here. I have actually put that information in even though it's not a required field. The reason that Roswell asked for that is the day before the ride or even the day of the ride, if there's any changes, they can actually do a text and let everybody know. So that's just for you. Going down a little further, still your basic information. You got your primary emergency contact name, doctor's names, doctor's phone number. Please list any known medical conditions and please list any special medical needs. That's so we can be accommodating to you. On this section, we are going to create a username and password. Again, this is new this year, so you're going to have to create a new username and new password because it's a new system. As we go down farther, we're looking at personalized web page links. There you can just make your personalized page. It makes it easier for people to donate to you. And then I want to cover this right here too. This is registration fees. We have four options here. You have adult rider, a youth rider, a Peloton rider, and a virtual rider. Each one of these are different. Adult rider and youth rider are pretty self-explanatory. The Peloton rider, if you're going to ride in the day before the ride as well, your fee is $15. This is inclusive for both rides. That should be known. And for a virtual rider, maybe somebody that's out of state or can't actually do the ride, you can still donate to the actual ride itself. Moving along, you'll see that I've already picked a large for a t-shirt size. And then when we're looking at discount, what this is for EMCs, team captains, and sponsors. You will have already received a discount code in an email. This is where you can apply it for your discount. You need to do this here. You can't go back and do it later. Here you can also see that you can make donations. There's a matching gift information for if your employer wants to match your donations, and your fundraising goal. I'm going to put the fundraising goal in as 1,000. What 1,000 will do is that'll make you an extra mile club member, and when you become an extra mile club member in EMC, there's a lot of extra benefits and perks that go along with it. Continuing down the list here, we have event questions. I just want to highlight one thing here. There's a pretty cool feature that Roswell does. They ask you if you would like them to mail a tribute letter to an honoree or loved one. So if you click yes here, then they ask for your tribute name, tribute address, and city. What Roswell will do is send them a letter on your behalf letting them know that you are riding in the ride for them, which is a pretty cool feature. Moving along, as we go down here, one thing I want to point out here is they ask you if you plan to attend the ride opening ceremonies on the fourth Friday in June. I'm putting yes here. This is not your RSVP to the opening ceremonies. It's just giving Roswell an idea of how many people are going. So if you do plan on going, you're still going to need to RSVP for the event. Just three more things that I want to highlight. Here I have picked a 30-mile bike ride. Pick whatever distance you feel would suit you well. And then also going down, we have EMC bike jersey size. If you are an extra mile club member, you do get a jersey. I've decided to decline and donate the cost of the jersey back to Roswell. And there's also preferred rider rewards, which you can also decline or choose one of these cool rewards for yourself. Going to the end here, and I'm going to click continue. Here we are on the last page. This is just billing. I'm not going to fill in information here. I think this is pretty standard. But after you finish putting in your information and click continue, you're going to get a confirmation email, and stay tuned to the next email regarding updating your personal page. All right, hope to see you at the ride.